Thank you for all the Kingdom Property Solutions. If you got a problem, I got a solution. How may I help you?
Hey, Alvin, I got a job for you, man. I'm not sure if it's in your realm of expertise, but I like the actual work that you did previously, and like you to actually take a look at it and see if you can work something out for me.
Making a subfloor for the storage shed, Craftsman storage shed. I don't want to put it directly on the floor, on the ground, so I'm gonna build a base for it to sit on, even though it has a floor already. Just be on the safe side. Kingdom Property stuff. Hey, what's up, guys? Finishing up the shed, Craftsman storage shed, resin, heavy duty plastic. Completed the foundation, got all the walls done and everything like that. Kingdom Property Solutions. If you don't have patience, blueprint's not your thing. Difficulty, I say about a good 6, 7. All because you got to improvise and stuff like that. Nothing fits perfectly. Just give me a call, 803-272-8663. Put these doors on and finish knocking this thing out. Peace. And words of some of the greatest builders of all time say, that's our ass, Mr. Postman. She is complete. Remember, if you have one of these, you need to put up, save yourself the trouble, give me a call, Kingdom Property Solutions, 803-272-8663. Y'all have a blessed day.